You may not know this about me, but I could be a little extra. I can't just have any pair of military boots. I need some with sparkly tweed and pearl buttons. I have accessories for every occasion. Sangria en la plaza. I'm ready. Tango en Buenos Aires. Oh yeah. Alright, if you guys have been watching my channel, you probably did know that about me. But this piece right here is by far one of the most extra AF things I've ever purchased. Now, I'm not the only one to blame for this purchase. I blame my mom. My mom has a lot to do with the kind of person that I am, the kind of shopping that I do, my fashion sense, and why I buy things. So she was with me when I made this purchase, and she was the one who really encouraged me to get it. So I blame dear old mom. If you're new to my unboxings, this is how I do it. I first tell you a little story about how I purchased the item, my experience, what was my thought process behind it, if there was any, and then I show you the item. If you want to skip over the story part, I totally get it. I will link in the description box below. I'll tell you exactly when that timestamp is so you can fast forward right to it. So the story is that I was in Soho with my mom doing some holiday shopping. It was my mom's first time taking the subway and being in the city, walking around since she started her treatment, her radiation and chemotherapy. My mom is thankfully doing so well, so I appreciate all you guys who've sent me well wishes and have asked about how she's doing. She's doing very, very well. So we were in the city and walking around, going to Tiffany's and going to all these stores, and we stopped by Louis Vuitton. I wasn't going to purchase something. I did have my holiday money set aside, but I wasn't expecting to make a purchase. I went into the shop with my mom, said hello to the essays that I usually see, and I went to the jewelry section because I was very interested in this one particular pair. I looked at them, but then I saw these and they were just so eye-catching. I just was drawn to them. And then I noticed this couple of very fashionable girls walk in and they also noticed that pair. And we were all kind of just wondering, waiting for an essay to come by, and the girls, the young women, walked away. And funny enough, one of them was wearing this really cool faux leopard print coat, and then she had the Moschino earrings that I featured in my Moschino by H&M haul. So she was very, very cool, and these suited her very well. This is not what I normally go for. Those earrings are not what I normally go for, but they were just so cool and eye-catching that I had to have them, and I was lucky enough to be able to grab a pair. So they walked away after waiting for some time, and then an essay came by, and I was looking at these sunglasses, and then I was looking at something else, and then I was just like, you know what? Tell me about these earrings because they are just so cool. And she said, you know, they're the only pair we have. What we have on display is it. And that, like, for me and my mom, if you tell us this is limited edition or it's the very last one we have, and you have our attention. So knowing that there was definitely that those young women who were very interested in that pair just made me kind of like tense up, and Mom's like, you have to try them on, just try them on. So I try them on, and they just look so cool and were so special that I had to have them. And my mom was the one who was like, just get it, you have your holiday money, you know, you have your gift money, just go ahead, splurge a little. So I did, and that is why I have this right here. I have not opened this since I purchased it. I took a look at them, of course, when I got home, but I've kept it in its box because I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys and just kind of have a genuine reaction. I know that I've seen these before, but still, this is the first time that I'm actually going to try them on, so I'm really excited. So here is that box. And here is the dust bag that the earrings come in. Very, very cute. Blue strings, opening this up, and oh my gosh, these are so flipping cool. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Here they are. Oh my gosh, they are a really nice weight to them. They're not incredibly heavy. They are hollow, so it's not super heavy. Definitely much lighter than the Moschino by H&M collection earrings. Much, much lighter than those. So these are definitely much more wearable than that pair. So as you can see, they are gold-toned hoops. They have the LV monogram on them in the center. They pop open like this, and then you insert the earring like so. Okay, and then here they are, both of them on me. I love them. I love them so much. They are just so cool. There's definitely a 90s, the throwback 90s, like hip hop era New York scene, uh, you know, feeling to them. That's definitely the mood that they give me. So I grew up in New York City. I was loved hip hop in the 90s, like a lot of New Yorkers did. So they definitely bring back a lot of memories. I'm really, really into these. I just think they're so cool. And yes, they are extra AF because I have not worn anything like that since the 90s. I think the best way to wear earrings like this is with your hair pulled back in a ponytail. Again, very 90s. I just cut my hair so it's a little short, but let me see if I can do this. There you go. What do you guys think? Too much or just right? I'm leaning toward the latter. Yeah, they're very cool. I love them. I know that I haven't seen these much online or, on social media. So I love them. And they're definitely a very, very special pair that I'm going to cherish and keep for ever. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you like them? Do you give me a thumbs up? Have you tried out any of their new earrings, any of their new jewelry that's out right now? Because they have some very cool, not your ordinary jewelry. So I'm really curious to see what you guys think about that. The pair that I was looking at, by the way, is called the bionic earrings, which are like little cuffs, which I thought were very cool. But ultimately, when I saw them in person, this one just really got my attention much more than that pair did. But I still like those. So let me know what you think about those or any interesting pair that you've seen. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you have any questions, requests, or just say hi, you guys know that I love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down here below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.